Make no mistake, you might be geniuses, or geeks, or technological talents, but designing and perfecting a welding production line is difficult. We would actually compare it to composing a piece of music. You need every instrument and tone to be in tune and in sync, in perfect harmony. If it's not, disharmony occurs, the flow is disturbed, and the result is imperfection. That leads to a dissatisfied audience, or even an audience that ceases to exist. In order to prevent this, you need to adjust the regularities, so every note in your production line gets in tune and in sync, because then everything changes. And that's where we come in. We know what to build and adjust in order to ensure quality and precision in every production line, increasing your competitiveness and earnings. You see a production line running relatively well. We see a potential for perfection. Make no mistake, with us, you won't. Automation by Migatronic.